Hi guys, I just bought a house. Kind of scary but very exciting. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of what it looks like right now and then some of the ideas of what I'm gonna do to redo it. So here we go. So this is when you come in the front door. And this is the front door. So this is when you come in the front door. There's a closet here, which I am super excited about. And then you enter the living room, which I'm replacing this carpet here and painting the walls white and the woodwork around the bottom all white too, so that will be nice. And the ceiling has this cute little like feature kind of where it goes up, and then any new curtains, and then this goes into the dining room and it has this built-in here, which is really cute. I'm not 100% on this bordery thing. Like, I don't know, that's not really my style, but to see what happens with that. And a nice light here, probably gonna change that out. So this is the dining room, and then that's back to the front door. And then this is the kitchen. And again, it has this kind of strange, let's see if I can get it to focus. And we're not gonna focus. Okay. Well, it has a bordery thing up at the top of the window. Well, forget that. Alright, anyway. There's a fan. And then there's another built-in here in the kitchen. This is the back door. This is the kitchen currently. Yeah, so I've never had a gas stove before, but this is a gas stove, and then there's a gas oven over in the wall right there. And I've only ever done had an induction cooktop and a convection oven, so this is actually a convection gas oven, I guess. So well, that's good at least. Then I can kind of know how to cook, hopefully. I'm thinking about taking out these cupboards here and doing just like a vent right over the stove, but I'm not sure how that's gonna work. I'm gonna paint the cupboards down here, get a new dishwasher because I'm not down with the two-tone white kind of old thing that's going on here. And I might take out these cupboards here and here because I kind of don't really like upper cupboards that much. But anyway, also this border thing has got to go. And we're not focusing again. There we go. Yeah, so this border is gonna probably go too. And yeah, and I'm gonna get a new sink because I don't like this one and this faucet is leaking, so gotta get that changed out. And then there's like a ton of storage in this house. And then there's the other separate oven. And oh yeah, I'm not sure what to do about the border. Actually, that's coming down today. And then this is the laundry room and the mudroom. So this is it's like a side door that comes from the garage. And then this goes down to the basement, which is all finished too. Just give you a peek. I'm not gonna do a basement tour yet. So that's the basement. And then this is the pantry, or what I'm gonna turn into a pantry right here. Right now it's just a closet for clothes, but I'm gonna make that into a pantry because it's right next to the kitchen and it's like perfect. And there's already a ton of other cupboards in this house. And then this is the laundry. So there's the laundry cupboards. And then this is the what is this, a quarter bath? If you have a toilet in the sink? Half bath? Half bath, because a quarter would be just a toilet. So, okay, half bath. So, yep, this is a half bath, and then there's another humongous closet in here. Okay, so that this is the tour of the kitchen, half bath, and the laundry. And then let's go do the bedrooms and the other bathroom. And there's a bathroom in the basement too. So there's 3 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. And I really like this kitchen, and the light in here is amazing. So yay. Yeah, except it has trouble focusing. I'm just gonna leave the countertop for right now because it's super expensive to replace, and I'm not hating it. It's like a gray color, so whatever, it can stay. Anyway, let's do the bedrooms. So this is the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. Probably just gonna change out a couple things. Paint. Yeah, so that's the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom, and they took the shower rod out, so I'm gonna get a new shower rod and a new, oh hey, there's the shower rod right there. Okay, cool. Curtain, whatever, shower curtain rod, and then a new thingy for the shower. And apparently they were like super tall people that lived here because this is a really tall, this is a really tall vanity, but that works for me. And then this is the 1 bedroom, double closet. This is the other bedroom. This one has a single closet in here. Ta-da. And then this is the master bedroom, which has a humongous double closet. So, yay for that. And let's do a peek in here. That's what the closet looks like. Goes all the way through, and you can't see. But anyway, so that's the house tour. So thanks for watching my house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's gonna be kind of exciting to change stuff around and do some different things. I'm gonna make a studio here for my workshop for my business, and I'll film all of that too. So I just wanted to say that, yay, I bought another house. And yeah, so thanks for watching. All of this paper has to come down. Where? Hi guys, day 2. We are removing wallpaper. My mom's doing most of the work and I'm washing the walls. So that's what we're doing today. And I'll give you a little peek. There's a lot, or there was a lot of wallpaper in here. And we're using a steamer.
Because that stuff doesn't, that gel junk, make sure everybody knows that does not work for taking wallpaper off.
This does not work. So we rented, or well, my mom rented a steamer, and that's what we're doing. So fun. And the ceiling fell off as the wallpaper was starting to come off, so the ceiling's just gonna come off too. And this is the laundry room area. And that's where I've been washing the walls off because there's lots of glue. So I've been doing that. And there's the washing machine there. That's the little bathroom. And yeah, so that's basically the whole day has been the wallpaper. And it used to look like this.
8 hours.
It was some little flowers, which I didn't think it was that bad, but my mom hated it, so.
It was bad.
It was okay. It will look better when it's all nice and clean. So anyway, that's what we've been doing. Okay, so we worked and worked and worked and worked. We ended up doing about 10 hours. 10 or I think my mom did a little bit longer, so about 13 hours for her. And she was wonderful. She took off all the wallpaper in the laundry room entryway, and then she also got the border off in the kitchen. So it looks way 100% better. It looks really good.